Let go. Oh, this is hot. That's scary.
What, Sylvie? You want the trampoline to yourself? Or you want me to bounce you?
I want trampoline for myself.
Okay.
3 minutes.
Okay. Sophie, Sam, you don't let Sophie go up there with you. Can Sam come up with you?
No. I have 3 minutes to
Sit and watch. Sophie gets some alone time. You got alone time, so let Sophie have some. You got to bounce by yourself, so you're gonna let Sophie bounce by herself. That's fair. She'll be done in a little bit. Now can Sam come?
Has it been 3 minutes?
No.
Oh, he's gonna bounce you. Go, Sam.
Well, actually, hot enough I could almost go in that pool.
You should go.
Very hot.
Dad, if you want to go in the pool, go in it.
What are you doing, Sophie?
I want to go in the pool.
Okay, well, just